Students often get confused between Pythagoras and trigonometry. So today I'm going to make it very simple how to decide in exam which rule you are going to use, Pythagoras or trigonometry. So let us see how to decide. Now, if you see a right angle triangle, okay, so for the Pythagoras and for the trigonometry, you need right angle triangle. Okay, it should be always right angle triangle. If there is no right angle triangle, you are not going to use Pythagoras or trigonometry. Okay, so for Pythagoras and trigonometry, you need right angle triangle. Very important. Okay, it should be right angle triangle. Next thing, now you're going to see if it is right angle triangle, so how many sides it has. If it has two sides given to you and telling you to find the third side, so it is Pythagoras. So the Pythagoras rectangle will always have two sides. Okay, I repeat, right angle triangle with two sides, we use Pythagoras. And then you can use a Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square equal to c square, or you can go according to your rule, finding the longer side or finding the shorter side. Make sense? So you're going to use a Pythagoras theorem in a right angle triangle. Next, if you see right angle triangle with one side given to you and an angle, one more angle. So you have right angle triangle with one side and non-right angle. Non means like it will be less than 90 degree. Okay, so sometimes they give you the angle, sometimes they don't give you angle, but you are definitely going to get the sign, angle sign. Okay, so when you see 90 degree angle sign, one side, it is trigonometry. Okay, so you are going to use trigonometry, and then you are going to use the trigonometry rule, that is SOHCAHTOA. So this is the difference between Pythagoras and trigonometry. All right, so if you see one angle, right angle triangle, Pythagoras. If you see two angles, trigonometry. In short, all the best.